Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to request a refund in the China Eastern application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page. And then click on the Refund button. So in order to request a refund, you have to provide your order number or your ticket number. You have to give your first name, optionally your middle name if you have one, and then your last name. And then just click on the Manage Booking button, and your refund request will be sent. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.